Now going to be using oil pastels and scratch tools to be adding some decorative lines into your artwork. But before you do so, it's important that after outlining with a permanent marker, you use an eraser to erase away any pencil lines that might be showing, okay? Because when you use oil pastel over pencil, it is going to pick up the black of the pencil graphite, and it is going to smear it, okay? And it's not going to look very good, okay? So erase it. Then you get to pick two colors that you want to work with, that you're going to overlap, and you always want to put down the lightest color first, okay? So if I'm using these two, I'm going to put the pink down first, okay? And you want to color the whole space in, okay? It can't be just like a scratchy look like that. It needs to be a solid coating. You don't have to necessarily press very hard, but you do need to color it in completely, okay? So I like to go and outline it, and then after I do that, then I can go back more quickly and fill in the center space. So you want a solid coating, okay, over your paper. Then you're going to go back with the darker color, and the darker the better, because it has more contrast, okay, contrast being difference. And you are going to make a very solid coating over the top of it with that second color, okay, just like that. Okay, so it completely hides what is underneath, okay? And then using a scratch tool, okay, you simply go and you drag it over the surface, and it is going to reveal that second color down below, okay? You can use the tip of this. I could take this tool, and I could also, after I'm done, I can flip it over onto the back side, okay? And I have a wider tip, so I'm able to make a thicker line, okay? So you are going to be adding in some more decorative lines into it. Make sure you're sticking non-representational, okay? So I'm done with that one. Maybe I want to go and I want to be coloring this one right here, okay? Maybe I'm switching the color up. Maybe I'm keeping it the same, but choose two different colors, okay? Maybe I'm going to put the yellow, so I'm going to color that in, okay? A solid coating again, okay? Darker color over the top. Okay, I'm going to go and outline it completely. And you might find that you get some oil pastel on the table. If that's happening, you can also get a piece of scratch paper, and you can lay it underneath to prevent it from getting under on the table. Okay, another handy thing that you might do as you're working, you might find that let's say I were coloring and I needed to rest my hand, and I needed to rest it in an area where I've already been working. It can be very helpful to take a scrap piece of paper, as this one, okay, and lay it right over the top of what you've already done, okay, and then you can go back and be coloring or scraping things away, okay, and that will protect what I've already done, okay, as long as my paper here isn't shifting. But if I lay my hand on it and I actually rub it against it, it is going to smear that color. So be using this piece of paper from the drawing shelf, just this choice time paper, to be adding your 2 layers of colors, as well as go back and scratch, okay? I want you to, in at least 3 areas or more, be using this technique of using 2 oil pastel colors, okay? Putting the lightest color down first and the second color on top of it, and scratching areas away, okay? Have fun.